My name is Tanguy.
I'm Miles Reed.
My name is Annie Moss.
I'm Charlie from William Francis.
Williams Crawford is both myself and Richard Williams.
We have the company here in Os, Brabant.
I'm Luke from Design911.
You've got the steering wheel, the Momo steering wheel, a few of the the casings that go around the dials and the gauges, new gear knob, and then obviously the USB cigarette lighter connection, which is class. Brilliant. I think first and foremost there's everything that you need there, and it's so easy to find pieces for your car. In terms of selecting what car it is, what year it is, what model it is. Easy to find the parts that you need, and then again, with you, texting you if I ever need any help on anything. Yeah, it's been great experience. So yeah, definitely the place to get Porsche parts.
I think we've really struggled without you. In all honesty, you sell really good parts. I mean, the OE match quality is really good. Again, sort of going back to 996s, these are slightly older cars, and what you don't want to be doing is paying Porsche prices to try to keep these cars on the road. And that's where you guys really feel a really important role in what we do, being able to get the cost down as low as possible for our customers, still fitting really good, decent quality parts, and being able to just rely on you as a first sort of point of contact when it comes to getting bits.
Design911, we have a really good relation in order that we can order many parts and we can get these special parts that we need. Recently we ordered this interior, smooth interior in fiberglass and also in carbon fiber for these backdating projects. It's always very interesting when you are ordering things, when you are working with someone, to have someone in the other side of the phone that you can discuss, that you can ask, because sometimes things they are not black or white. Also care about the timings. We also care about many things, that it's very important to have someone that you can talk with. We have a good partnership, yeah.
I used to keep a lot more stuff in stock. There could be 15, 20 grams worth of filters in stock a few years ago, but because I can get stuff so quickly nowadays, we don't need to. Yeah, I mean, KN, water pump, parts from Design911, as most of them are in here. 996 on there, power steering parts, again from you guys. And that there, we'll be ordering some CV boots for it later on.
My relationship with Design911 started probably a year before the 2356s. We were doing another 911 backdate, and we bought the entire backdate kit through you guys, and then basically it just progressed. And then I spoke to Daryl, and we started looking at 356 panels, and there was two fairly large orders. I then established where we were kind of going to go with it and the quality, and we wanted the higher end of panel quality. So we were advised on this is what we should do and this is the way we should do it, and things were ordered in. And therefore, ever since, I've stuck with Design911.
Yeah, I've been working with Design911 for around about 7 years, and yeah, you guys always gave me like a good, reliable service. One thing I do like about Design911 is they've got such a wide range of everything, whether that's Bilstein shocks, upgraded components, light and clutch flywheels, pretty much for every car. And we are massively into our tuning, so whether that's like tuning the suspension, GT3 lower arms, any sort of modifications, I know you guys have got a huge amount of stock, and it's available next day. So we do like working with you guys.
So we've purchased every single part that we've fitted to that car. We've bought from Design911. We've fitted Dansk exhaust system, full control arm refresh, and front suspension, Bilstein and Miele top mounts and bump stop kit. Yeah, Daryl and Josh mainly, been phenomenal, very supportive, helpful, and the level of knowledge is unparalleled to other parts suppliers that I deal with.
We work very closely with you guys, Design911, supplying us with lots and lots of great components. We obviously mainly specialise, obviously in Porsche, but mainly 911 and Boxer and Cayman models, which aftermarket suspension kits are really popular on, and we're absolutely delighted to be able to come and see, in our opinion, probably the best aftermarket solution.
We bought some parts from the UK, but then it increased when you guys moved to Holland. And you see you're now really settled there. Yeah, and Zico is a really good partner in, you call him, he knows exactly what you want to have. If there's something that you want to have immediately or whatever, he goes the way. He does what we ask from him, but he does even more. So yeah, we're very pleased with our partnership. The prices are good. When you say you deliver. So yeah, we're really enjoying the working together with you. Yeah. And I like that you have more like a broad spectrum of parts. It's not only the original part, but also some parts that are even better than the original because they're more developed.
I'd always been into cars. I'm told by my father that the first word I ever said was car, so I think everybody knew where I was going. Then when I hit 17, I decided that I needed to get into a Muse garage. One came up in Hampstead, and that was called Dale & Muse, and we were number 7, which was quite an interesting number. And within a few weeks, I was lucky, I ended up with 5 Muse garages in Dale & Muse. And I stayed there for about thick end of a year, and it was getting more and more chaotic. You can imagine parking, all that kind of thing. And then somebody tipped me off a certain garage in Highgate Village. The people were in financial trouble and it was going to be closed. So I immediately got in touch with them. Can we discuss? He said, yeah, of course. And I agreed to buy it, started running it as a car dealership should have been run. So I closed the petrol forecourt, and we used that for cars, which was much more suitable. And then it became obvious again that I was going to have to find something bigger. And I was very lucky because I knew the owner of this dealership. It was a Vauxhall dealership. And I said to him, if you ever want a part company, please give me a call.
The overnight delivery is here quicker than the main dealer used to be here when we were using Exeter, so we'll have our parts normally by 10 o'clock. We've got them, so you've got the car on the ramp, you're in the middle of it, so that's good for us because we're a busy workshop. We need to turn the cars around, more ramp space, because it doesn't matter how many ramps you got, you always want one more. You always, something. We can, the website's really good, and you guys answer the phone. That for us is so much better than ever the main dealers were. It's because it's your business, it's your passion for the product. It's there. So I think I checked earlier on, we've 11 years, I think.
So you guys help us a lot because you have really good parts, and we decided to do the Tour de Coste this year because we were looking for partners with a big passion. And Design911, they have a crazy passion about Porsche. And that's why when we first meet up, it was a really good meeting. We discussed about Porsche, the piece that they have, the shirts, the goodies, everything. And that's how it went, and that's how we decided to do something together. But of course, I will recommend them because they're doing really good jobs.
The vast majority of our parts will either come from Design911 or from Porsche. If they have to be genuine, as often is the case that it has to be genuine, you can't get it on the aftermarket, then we'll buy it from Porsche. But anything that can be bought on the aftermarket will be bought from Design911. The ordering is always good, the guys are knowledgeable. You can, obviously sometimes we have part numbers which we can just give you, which makes things a lot easier, but other times just registration numbers. And yeah, the guys are really good. Delivery is always next day on most items. So we don't have to hold the level of stock that we used to years ago. Like now we keep our stock levels to a minimum because we always know we can get most things following day.
We're PPN, so we're Porsche Partner Network, which means that we're connected to the factory, we get all our technical data from the factory, and that we're able to service the latest cars under warranty. And of course there's a big need for parts, and Design911 are our parts partner. We like that because we can trust the quality of the components and the service, because no business is perfect. I'd like to say ours is perfect, but it isn't. We're very easy to get along with. We'll give sound advice best we're able, whether it suits us or not. We'll give you the best advice, and I think that's what has enabled us to have such longevity in the market and be able to grow.